咁啦，一個呢隻佢係芒芒地，係話幾對嗰啲人咧，就風多啦，即係有食同埋呢其實係嗰個幾多錢？佢估咗你好多約都嘅一次嘅，因為我嘅已經是我做呢中醫而殺啦，我如果而殺啲，如果我做呢開始療治過而殺，我全部要嘅，啲嘅我將到，而家嘅我將到只11樣一種吧，因為我們天末古巴嚟講，同學嚟嘅優半年咯。啲碑啦，就係嗰種啦，就係啲長官啦，啲我哋天幕碑，係就比較你個攞一封啦，比較應寫出嚟咯。然後本地呢個好似呢38啦，或者可能就冇嚟咯，有啲冇見過，有啲冇見過咯，有啲實在見過都睇過。古時夢到係做緊師傅做到呢班不過呢個就是我參照聽大悲啲嗰啲。So I'll do another half of English now for my other buddies and the younger kids out there. So first things first, I wanted to thank my parents, right? You grow up and you can never expect what your child is going to be, but your parents love you nonetheless. So I have deep, deep gratitude for my mom and dad, for my entire family for that. Second thing, I wanted to thank my father and mother-in-law overseas for helping to raise my wife here, helping to teach good lessons to her, and just being so positive in my journey when I went to twice actually. I'd also like to thank the entire extended community, that being my friends, my extended family from far away upwards of Minnesota, coming here to support us, and it means so much to me that everyone's here. We can share a meal together, that's great, but I can never repay the amount of work you guys have done, as well as the gratitude in my heart. So thank you so much. That's all.
Hôm nay là để vua cho đâu cho nên cha người tôi để đến việc nên đây nó chỉ có cùng của cha cho đâu để hết gì để dùng vua không nên để vua cho cả không như sửa lại cái vua cùng cái thâu thế là xài này là những cái báo rồi nhau cho nó nên là